Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Mr. Tech is back with an exciting exploration of incredible machinery. Get ready to be amazed. Let's jump right in. Number 1, when it comes to large excavators, the Caterpillar 345CL is in a league of its own. With 345 HP and a weight class that means business, this machine is perfect for big jobs that require serious digging power. Caterpillar's engineering excellence shines through with the 345CL, making it a top choice for contractors who demand performance and reliability. Number 2, the Liebherr 994 is a true giant in the world of hydraulic excavators. With an operating weight of around 240 tons and a powerful V12 or V16 engine delivering up to 675 horsepower, this machine is built for the toughest mining operations. The massive 47.5 cubic meter bucket capacity makes it a beast when it comes to handling large volumes of material. Number 3, impressive engineering from Kobelco. The SK8 4ULC10E, powered by the Hino E13C YM-KSDB engine, brings 380 HP to the table, making it a top choice for demanding excavation projects. The advanced hydraulic system and robust build ensure that this machine can handle the heaviest loads with ease, a true beast in the field. Number 4, flying on the Airbus A380-800 is like being on a cruise ship in the sky. This massive aircraft with its double deck and spacious interior offers unmatched comfort and space. It's designed to cover long-haul flights with ease, cruising at a speed of Mach 0185. The A380-800 is not just the largest passenger jet, it's a game changer in the world of aviation. Number 5, Cat never disappoints, and the 990 is no exception. This wheel loader combines power, efficiency, and safety in one package. The integrated control system and optimized performance make it easier to move more material in less time. perfect for anyone looking to maximize productivity on the job site. Number 6, the XCA 300 from XCMG is nothing short of a technological marvel, boasting a 350-ton lifting capacity and a max boom length of 70 meters. This all-terrain crane is equipped with a Benz engine and advanced components like Bosch, Rexroth pumps, and Michelin tires. It's built to handle the toughest conditions with ease, ensuring precision and power in every lift. Number 7, CTLH 192-12, maximizing versatility and performance. The CTLH 192-12 delivers with a 55mm jib length and a massive 12T lifting capacity. The new control system, with Terex Power Plus and Power Match, ensures smooth and efficient operations on any job site. Number 8, Terex Finley LJ130 Hybrid. If you're looking for a jaw crusher that can handle the toughest materials, the Terex Finley LJ130 Hybrid is the one to beat. The massive 1300 x 1000mm jaw chamber offers impressive reduction ratios, while the hybrid power option provides cost savings that traditional diesel crushers can't match. Plus, the ability to split into 2 transportable components makes it super easy to move between sites. Absolute efficiency in a powerful package. Number 9, the FAM SR800 P9. Bucket wheel excavator is an engineering marvel. Its role in extracting essential raw materials like lignite, coal, and ores is critical to keeping industries running smoothly. This machine is a powerhouse in open cast mining.
Adelante, Rodrigo.
Number 10. In the world of snow removal, the Trekhan 135 PD stands out as a powerhouse. With a melting capacity of 135 tons per hour and dual side loading capabilities, it's perfect for handling the toughest winter conditions. This snow melter is a must-have for any municipality or snow contractor, looking to clear snow quickly and efficiently, saving both time and money. Number 11, Komatsu ZT44 blast hole drill, 800 HP at 2,100 RPM. The Komatsu ZT44 is a powerhouse. Whether it's production drilling or auxiliary tasks, this drill rig's adaptability and reliability make it a top choice for demanding mining applications. Number 12, Wirtgen W200i. For major construction sites, the Wirtgen W200i is the ultimate solution. Its precision in flush-to-curb milling, combined with the ability to work in narrow spaces, makes it a top pick for urban roadworks. Number 13, the M5XAS amphibious spider excavator takes versatility to the next level. Imagine driving right up to a work site, assembling the pontoon system in under an hour, and then conquering water depths of up to 4.5 meters with ease. No crane, no hassle, just pure efficiency and stability in the toughest conditions. Number 14, the Volvo SD115B is a powerhouse in soil compaction. With its advanced technology and self-regulating engine, this machine ensures top-notch versatility and performance on any job site. Number 15, Trekken 60 PD. Looking for a reliable snow melter that delivers results? The Trekken 60 PD is built for you. It melts 60 tons of snow per hour, powered by a 12 million BTU HR burner. Perfect for city operations, large contractors, or universities. Plus, its design allows for easy transport and loading, ensuring you can tackle snow removal efficiently, no matter the location. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about snow management.